Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. Today you'll be watching me slay these beautiful gypsy locks using BeautyCanBraid's crochet braid pattern and AISI Beauty crochet faux locks. Go ahead and stay tuned.
Me a beg you, who me guide them father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jet over, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean.
Can't get over me, and me can't get over she. Anyhow, I wanna make you a wind up on me, so girl, me fall in love. Me buy you a ticket to Barbados, girl, me fall in love. Pretty little thing of me coming back, it a me comforter. Me love you.
Give thanks, you know, every day. We give thanks, you know. You spend all that money on your watch, How much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You're picky with the shoes on your feet, but now pick and choose the friends where you keep. You now watch where you eat. When last you get a good sleep. The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. Sing it. Simplicity we used to survive. Many find you difficult because they make the run tonight. One alone you get in, I go live another life. Telling them again, but I'm not in another device. Life, not get chance too often. Cut out some of the sadness and invest in a laughing. Time you take a stress, lifetime passing. Tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. Let me tell you this, my brother. Good days, bad days, you know see no weather. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget one more minute with me brother. So you better spend time together. Cherish every second of the day where you're there. Gotta tell you, I had a close one yesterday. Just put an angel over me. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say a prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing lasts forever. The simple things are your blessings.
And here is the finished look. I love it. As usual, all products I use and all the hair that I use will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. Thanks so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.